and some super giant players along with their head coach.
There we go.
This is part of football. Players go through this. We've had good coaches in the past and we have a good coach now, so the belief is there as a team. Yeah, we are here, we are now, and we play. Look, every season I don't go out and set goals for myself. I just go out and give my best every game. So this is my main focus, give my best, enjoy myself, and whatever happens, go for the win. This is the main thing.
Jamie McLaren he's a top player. He's a good signing for us. His goal record speaks for himself. He's the highest goal scorer in Australia, and it's really exciting that we've got him here. And then, as you say, it's good competition. It gives the coach a hard job to pick the team, but it's really healthy, and it'll motivate us even more to keep our jersey when it comes to match day. So I think Mohan Bagan we've recruited really well, and we have a lot of good players. Obviously, just the winning mentality. We go into every game wanting to win, and just working hard as well. High press in people's faces. He's wanting us to not give any team any chances. I think the most important is just to win. I think just that winning mentality. Every game is important, and you must win every game.
It's a big challenge, but I think we enjoy this. This is part of the game, and this is what players like, to be challenged. So, very similar to what the coach said before about one game at a time. We can only focus on the one that is in front of us now, and then so forth. So,
He's friendly, he's like a big cuddly bear at times. No, obviously it's good, his training's been really good. It's early doors, we've got a completely new team this season. But as you see, in the Durand Cup, we played well at times. We got to the final and, it was a good campaign. So I'm really excited to working with the manager this season, learning from him. He's obviously got amazing experience, he's been here before. He's had an amazing career as well, so it's early doors, but I'm really excited to learning from him, and it's going to be exciting.
It's been good for the short period of time, pretty much similar to what Jay said. But looking forward to the season. We have a few days to work hard now and get ready for the game.